Tonight on the evening news.
Speed dating with dogs, pets, and new owners meet in the park. There is speed dating of all kinds, but this afternoon the SPCA held a speed date a dog event at Parc La Fontaine. This was a collaboration between the SPCA, the Underdog Club, and Warner Brothers, who is releasing their new film, Cats and Dogs 2. Potential pet owners got a chance to choose from several breeds of dogs. It was an opportunity for them to walk 5 minutes with the dog to see if the relationship developed. The event coincides with the busiest time for the SPCA because of the July 1st moving day. That's when hundreds of dogs are abandoned by their previous owners.
The idea of speed dating a dog is basically that you can spend some time with a whole bunch of different dogs here. There are 19 dogs of all shapes, sizes, ages, a dog for every taste. And you can spend some quality time with the dog, playing with him, walking around the park with him, and hopefully, adopt them in the end.
Surely you've heard of speed dating, maybe even tried it.
But what about speed dating a potential pet?
Oh, so cute.
It's a pretty good idea.
That's a brilliant idea.
Great idea.